Hello friends, here we will talk about B plus tree indexing. Now say this is what our one table is there. Say name of the table is say student and the attributes are roll number and name. And assume the search key is roll number. Suppose you want to create a key indexing using the roll number. So what we can do, we can create a table that is called index table. Here search keys are there and here we have to store address of each. Okay, now say roll number 1, it is address is what? A1. Roll number 1 address is A1. Roll number 2 address is A6. Okay, roll number 2 address is A6. Roll number 3 address A5. Roll number 3 address roll number 3 address is what? It should be A2. Are you getting this one? Roll number 4 address A7 and so on. Now suppose you want to search you want to search any roll number. So it is in what? It is in ascending order, and here we can implement binary search, and from that particular after implementation of binary search we can get the roll number, and from that roll number if you read this particular part directly you can jump that particular address. Okay, so this is one method to implement the indexing. Now here we may implement a tree also. So using the B tree we can implement the indexing. Now we can see this particular tree first. Now here the roll numbers are from 1 to 10, different distinct say 10 roll numbers are there, you can see. Now it is not in order, but if you see the tree, the leaf part here, all the roll numbers in order, say 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, and these are the nodes where each and every nodes contains 3 data, maximum 3 data, and contains 4 children. Are you getting this one? And each and every node they are connected to each other, so that means it creates one a single linked list. Say 1 2 they are connected with 3, so this particular node contains 3 or 4, it is connected with 5 and 6 and so on. Are you getting this one? Now these three nodes are connected with this particular, this is a parent of this particular 3 children. So here you can see and these are the 2 nodes, through they are connected with this particular node, and these 2 nodes are connected with the root. Now you can see the 3 and 5, this is the less than 7. Okay, 1 and 2 is less than 3, 3 and 4 is in between 3 and 5. Are you getting this one? So 9 is greater than 9, 7, and here 7 and 8 is less than 9 but greater than 7, greater than equal to 7. 9 and 10, it is greater than equal to 9. So that means what? This is also a binary search tree. Okay, so this is nothing but the root. These are the leaves node. Okay, and these two are the internal nodes. Okay, now and all the data present in this particular, all the roll numbers are present in the leaf nodes, and here root and the internal nodes are used for the indexing purpose. Okay, so where suppose we want to search roll number 6, so we first starting from 7, so 6 is what? Less than 7, so we have to move the left, you have to search, you have to move this particular part left side, and 6 is what? Greater than 5, and greater than 5 means what? You have to move right child, you have to move right part. Okay, now here after that you just process the node. Now here 6 is present. Now we want to check whether 11 is there or not. We can see here, say 11 is what? More than 7. Okay, you have to move right part. More than 9, you have to move right part. And if you see this particular part, now here in this particular node we are in the leaf and you have to process all the data. So here 9 10 is there but 11 is not there. That means what? 11 is not part of the table. Similarly, you have to check whether roll number 2 is there or not. So every time you have to search from the root. 2 is less than 7. Okay, less than 3, you have to move this one, and if you read this particular part we can get the roll number 2. Now suppose we want to know, suppose if you write like this way, say select asterisk from student where roll number is equal to say 3. So we need every information from roll number 3. So we have to access this particular row. So to access this particular row, we should know the address of this. Are you getting this one? So how to get this particular address? So for that we have to roll number 3. So compare with the root. 3 is less than 7 here. Now this particular part here, you can see that every right child, these are greater than equal to the root. Okay, so in this particular tree, all the right child are greater than equal to the root. So 3 is what? Greater than equal to 3. So we have to move this one. And if you read this particular, now we are here. Now we are in the leaf node, and if you read this particular part, here we store address of this particular roll number 3, where 3 is there. So 3 is there in address A2. Now if you read address A2, directly we can get this particular data. We can get this particular record. Are you getting this one? So similarly, suppose we want to know the select asterisk from student where roll number is equal to 8. Now roll number 8 means what? This one. So we need each and every information about this Kapil Dev. Okay, roll number, name, address, phone number. So starting with this particular root, 8 is greater than 7. We have to move this part. Now 9 is what? Greater than 9. So we have to move left part. Now if you read this particular part, 7 and 8. Now if you read the left part of this data, so here the address of this roll number is present. So here it is, A9 is present. A9 is what? Address A9 is nothing but this one. So if you read this particular address, we can get everything or all the records of the roll number 8. Now in this way, we can use B tree to search any particular data, or in this way we can implement the B tree. Are you getting this one? Now see how to construct this particular tree. So before that, we have to know few things. Say B plus tree is a multi-level index. Now you can see this is nothing but our multi-level index. Okay, we have seen already what is multi-level index. This is what? It is inner level, and this is what? Outer level. Okay, now already we have seen the multi-level indices. This is what our data file. Okay, this is what our inner index, this is outer index. So it is similar to like this. The construction is similar to like this. Okay, and if you see this particular node, each and every node, okay, so this is nothing, all the nodes are there. If you name any node, so here keys are there, key 1, key 2. Okay, so 1, 2, these are called keys. Key 1, key 2 to key n minus 1 are there, and here the pointers are there. So pointer of key 1, so this p1, pointer of key 2, p2. Similarly, pointer of key n minus 1, it is pn minus 1, and it is pn. Okay, so these are the pointers. So key 1, key 2, these are the keys, and p1, p2, these are the pointers. And it is also binary search tree. That is, if I is less than j, then the key I is less than key j. So already we have discussed this is also a binary search tree. So the left data should be lesser than the root, and right data should be greater than equal to root. Okay, so this one. Okay, here also less than, greater than, equal to. Okay, less than, greater than, equal to, and so on. Now see, if n is a fixed, n is a parameter, okay, and n is a pointer, okay, and n is fixed for every t. So each and every leaf node and inter node, maximum n minus 1 it can store. Okay, if n minus 1 number of keys it can store, and minimum n by 2 minus 1 number of keys must be stored. Now if you see here, if n is a pointer, say 8, say if n is equal to say 5. Okay, so that means what? N is a pointer, that means what? There must be one node, okay, where there we can store maximum 4 keys. Say this is what? Key 1, key 2, key 3, and key 4. And we can store 5 number of pointers. So P1, P2, P3, P4, and P5. So 5, so if n is equal to 5, so maximum we can store 5 numbers of pointer, and minimum we can store n by 2 minus 1. So n by 2 is what? 5 by 2. So it is a 5 by 2 means what? It is 2.5, 2.5 minus 1, it is 1.5. So we can say if you take the upper limit, so 1.5, it will be the 2. Are you getting this one? So that means what? If it is the case, 1, So we can store minimum 2, key 1 and key 2. Okay, and if it is a root node, maximum number of keys. So maximum number of keys would be the n minus 1 and minimum number should be the 1. So that means if n is equal to 4, maximum keys it can hold 3, n minus 1 it is 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1 it is 3, and minimum will be what? N by 2 minus 1. So 4 by 2 minus 1, so 4 by 2 is, it is what? 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 it should be what? It should be 1. Are you getting? So if n is equal to 4, maximum keys it can hold 3 and minimum key it can hold 1. And if n is equal to 5, okay, if n is equal to 5, maximum it can store 4 keys and minimum it can store 2 keys. Okay, or conversely you can say number of pointers. So if it is a leaf or internal, maximum if it is a leaf or internal, maximum it can store n number of pointers and minimum should be what? It is n by 2 number of pointers. And if it is a root, number of pointers will be, maximum should be the n, okay, and minimum should be the 2. So the number of pointers, it is also called fan out. So fan out means what? Total number of pointers, total number of children it can create, it can form. Now the ranges of values in each leaf do not overlap. Okay, so we can see here the values are not overlapping, they are distinct. So 1, 2, after that 3, 4, after that 5, 6. That means the values are not overlapped. Now if the B plus tree index is to be a dense index, every search key value must appear in some leaf node. So every key must should be appear in the leaf node. Are you getting this? If it is a dense key. And the number of pointers in a node is called the fan out of the node. So number of pointers here, these are the pointers, these are called pointers. So here total fan out is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting this one? So that is what the number of pointers in a node is called the fan out of the node. Okay. Now one more thing we can see here, it is a height balance tree. Okay, height balance tree means what? You can see all the leaves nodes are present in a same depth. Okay, so in a same level. So this is what our level 0, this is what our level 1, this is what our level 2. So all the nodes are present in level 2. All the data, all the roll numbers are present in level 2. That means to search a particular row, to search a particular roll number, it needs constant time. Okay, so each and every roll searching time for each and every node or each and every roll number is fixed. It is constant. Okay, now create a B tree for the given data where n is equal to 4. Okay, that means what? We have to create a B tree where maximum it can hold 3 number of keys. Okay, so we can see, or 4 number of pointers. Okay, that means if n is equal to 4, the root node must contain n minus 1, that is 3 keys, and one minimum 1 key. And if it is a non-root, it is n minus 1, that is 4 minus 1, it is 3. And if it is minimum will be n by 2 minus 1, so 4 by 2 minus 1, 4 by 2 is 2, 2 minus 1, it is 1. This is what keys, roll number, and pointers, number of children. So it is 1 plus, so maximum it can hold 4 keys, 4 pointers, minimum 2 pointers for the root node, and for non-root node maximum 4 and minimum 2. Okay, so you can see this one by one. So first of all, say roll number 1. Okay, now you can see it is not in ascending order. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So here we have to see there. So these are the roll numbers and it is not in ascending order. So first is what? Roll number 1. So we have to create a node. Okay, create a node here, and each and every node the format is fixed. So first roll number is 1. So here you put roll number 1. Okay, and single node is there now right now. Next roll number is 3. Now 3 is what? Greater than 1, so it should be the right side. Here you can put 3 here. Next roll number is 5. So here we can put 5 here. Okay, so Now it is full. Now you can see maximum number of keys it can hold 3 and minimum number of key it can hold 1. So it is what it is, 3 is equal to, this is what, now it is full. Now the 7 will appear here. Now if 7 will appear here, that means what, 7 will be somewhere here. Are you getting this one? So if it is somewhere here generally we have to identify the median value. Okay, now if only four data are there including this 7, so 1 3 5 7, so what you can say, what is the median value? So if it is an odd number, now you can see, if it is an odd number, then identification of median is very simple. This will be the median value. But if it is an even number, then there are two median values are there. Okay, this is called lower median value and upper median value. So we can select any one of that. We may select lower median value or upper median value. So here 1 3 5 7. So if you put 1 3 5 7, the upper median value is what, 7. So we have to remove this particular key, and we have to split the node, this particular node, into 2 nodes, where 5 will be the root or 5 will be the parent. That means what, we have to split this particular information into 2 nodes. Okay, so here you have to put 1 and 3, and in this particular you have to note 5 and 7, and the parent of these 2 nodes should be what, it should be the 5. We have just seen this parent will be, it is what, upper median value, so this is what, 5. So here we can connect these 2 nodes. Okay, so left part is what, 1 and 3 less than 5, and right part is 5 7 is what, greater than equal to 5. So it is what, it is b plus 3 as well as the binary search tree. Next is what, 9. So 9 is what, greater than 5, that means it should be right part of this. 5 7 9, here we can put 9, that means one space is vacant here. Next is what, 2. Now 2 is what, 2 is what, less than 5, and that means what, 2 must be present in this particular node, and it should be what, greater than 1, but it is what, less than 3. So 2 must be what, in between 1 and 3. So what you can do, we have to shift 3 here. Now if you shift 3 here, then the 3 will be what, so the data are what, so 1 must be present. So here 2 should be what, in between 1 and 3. So you have to shift 3 here. So you have to shift 3 here, and you have to put 2, and the remaining data what, 5 7 9, and it should be the 5. Next we have to insert 4. Now 4 should be what, less than 5. Okay, and you have, the 4 must be in this part, and 4 should be what, greater than 3, but it can accommodate 3 keys, it cannot accommodate 4th one. So if you connect 4th one, so 1 1 2 3 4. Okay, if you, this is what our new node, this will be the new data. So we have to split this particular node into two nodes. Okay, and 3 will be the root. This is what, our upper median. So 3 will be the root. Now if you move upward, so we have to shift this 5 in this particular part, shift. So if you move 3 upper, so 5 should be what, less than 3 is less than 5, so 3 must be here, 5 must be here. So you have to shift 5 this particular place. So we can see, so you have to split this particular node into 2 nodes. Okay, this one, and this will be this one. So here 1 2 must be there, 1 and 2. Okay, now we have to split 1 2 3 4. 1 2 is there, and it should be a 3 4. Okay, and this should be the vacant places are there. Now here we have to move upward 3, should be the 3. If you move 3 here, you have to shift 5 in this place, and this 5 7 9 is what, this is what, our 5 7 9. Now remember one thing, this is what, b plus 3. So here you have to keep a pointer. So you have to create a linked list for that. So there is a connection in between the two leaves. There is a connection in between the two leaves, and there must be a connection between the leaves. Okay. So next is what? 6. 6 you have to insert. So 6 would be what? 6 would be here. So 6 is what? Greater than 3, greater than 5. That means what? 6 must be present in this here, in this particular. So 5, 7, 9. So 6 would be somewhere here. Now if you shift here, that means what? We have to identify the upper median. So upper median is what? 7. So we have to split this into 2 part. Okay, and the root will be what? Root would be the 7. So 7 must be present here. Okay, we have to 7 must be shift here, and we have to break into 2 part, 5, 6 and 7, 9. That means here you can see. Okay, so here it is 1, 2 dash 3, 4 dash. Now 5, 7. Okay, so here to split it to 2 part, 5, 6 and 7, 9. So 5, 6 and 7, 9. Okay, and all dash means null. These are the null, nothing is there. Okay, or it is a blank space. And here it is 3 and 5. Okay, and we have to move 7 upward. We have to move 7 upward. Okay, so and there is a connection. There is a link between the leaves. So you can see 3, 1, 2 less than 3. 3, 4 is greater than equal to 3. 3, 4 is less than 5. 5 is what? 5, 6 greater than equal to 5. 5, 6 less than 7. 7, 9 is what? Greater than equal to 7. Next we want to insert 8. Okay, 8 you want to insert. So 8 should be what? 8 should be here. 8 is what? 3 greater than 3, greater than 5, greater than 7 must be here. And here greater than 7, one space is there. So we have to accommodate the 8 in between 7 and 9. Okay. That is, we have to construct once again. Okay. So here we want to insert 8 here. 8. Okay. So 8 should be what? In between 7 and 9. So first will be the 7. Then 9 should be shifted in this particular position. Should be 9. And here you can store 8. Okay, so finally we have to insert say 10. So if you want to insert 10 here, so where you can insert? So here we can insert here in this particular position 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7, 8, 9, 10. So upper median is what? 9. So we have to move upward. So 9 should be the root, and 7, 8 and 9, 10 will be what? The children. And if you move 9 here, we can see here it is also full. 3, 5, 7, 9 is also full. So 3, 5, 7, 9. So we have to move 9 upward. So we have to move 9 here. So we have to split into 2 parts. Now 7 will be the upper median. So we have to move 7. So 7 will be the root node. That means we can say here it should be the root. We have to 7 will be the root node, and we have to split into 2 parts, 3, 5 and 7, 9. Okay. So 3, 5 and 7, 9. You can say 3, 5 and 7, 9. Okay, and after that this one say 1. This particular node is there. 5 and 6. So now here 7, 8, 9, 10. So it will be split into 2 parts, 7, 8 and 9, 10. Okay, 7, 8 and 9, 10. So 7, 8 and 9, 10. But who will be the root? Who will be the root here? 9 will be the root, not the 7. So here root will be the 9, not the 7. So here we have to remove 7 here, and here we have to keep 9. Are you getting this one? So you have to connect this one and this one, and this 9 should not be present. Are you getting this one? So 7, now 3 and 5 less than 7, 9 is greater than 7, 7 and 8 is less than 7 and 8 is what? Less than 9 but greater than equal to 7. 9 and 10 greater than 9, greater than 7. 9 and 10 greater than equal to 9, greater than equal to 7. Similarly 5 and 6 greater than equal to 5, okay, and less than 7. Are you getting this particular part? So this particular part is there. So important. So initially it was what? 5, 6 and 7, 9, 5, 6 and 7, 9. But if you split this particular 7, 8, 9, 10, the root will be what? 9. It is not 7. So for this particular, these two nodes, root will be the 9, not 7. So we have to remove this 7 and we have to shift 9 and we have to connect like this way. So here connection should be here. Here. So this is what our B plus tree. So suppose we want to insert similarly. Now if you want to increase, suppose we want to insert say 12. Okay, so where you can insert? We can insert here 12 here. Easily we can insert. And suppose we want to insert 11 after that. So how you can insert? So here we can insert 11 here. It should be what? In between 9, 10 and 11, 12. So 9, 10, 11, 12. So the upper median will be what? New key 11. So you have to move upward. So here we have to split into two parts, 9, 10 and 11, 12. And root will be, parent will be what? 11. Are you getting this one? So 11 will be somewhere here. So if you do this one, you can see. So it is a 7, it is 3 and 5. Okay. 9 was already there. Now the connection is with 3 here, here. And it is what you have to connect this one like this way, and here to split this into two nodes, 9, 11 and 11, 12. Sorry, 9, 10 and so here we need two more nodes here. So here 9, 10 and 11, 12. Okay, and the root of this particular what? 11. So you have to put 11 here. So you have to connect this one here and this one. Are you getting this one? So in this way we can form a B plus tree. Now finally we can see, say this is what our data file, say roll numbers are there and names are there. Say Abir, Ajhar, Babu, Dhoni, Sachin, Anmol, Bablu, Chetan, Kapil and Virat. Now in the previous here we have seen that we have constructed B plus tree for the roll number, for the integer data, for the roll number. Similarly, we can construct B plus tree for the name, for the string data. And you can see here, it should be it is in alphabetical order. So Abir and Anmol, they are less than the Ajhar, and Ajhar and Bablu both are greater than equal to Ajhar. Similarly, Ajhar and Bablu less than Babu, but Babu and Chetan both are greater than equal to Babu. Ajhar and Babu both are less than Dhoni. Sachin is greater than equal to Dhoni. Dhoni and Kapil less than Sachin but greater than Dhoni. Greater than equal to Dhoni. Similarly, Sachin and Virat, okay, Sachin and Virat both are greater than equal to Sachin and greater than equal to Dhoni. So not only the integer values, we can construct B plus tree for the string data also. And here the data must be in ascending order. That is all. You can see it is in it should be in alphabetical order. Now we can see what should be the question is what should be the node size. What should be the each and every node size? Okay. What is the criteria for that? Now you can see this is what our node, and here here we can put the node size should be the same as the hard disk block size. Okay. Now say disk block size, assume it is 4 KB, okay, 4 kilobyte, and here now size of the, we can say total number of each size, say total number of each key, okay, key size, each key say 32 bytes, let's, and pointer size is 8. That means for each pointer, that means what? Each node pointer, each node and pointer, key and pointer needs what? It is 40 byte, and total say, and total, so total 40 byte, and total say it is 44 KB kilobyte. So that means that 4 into 1024 bytes. Are you getting this one? So each and every key and pointer, it needs 40 bytes, and total says what? 4 into 1024 bytes. So that means we can calculate how many keys and pointer we can accommodate here. So maximum number of pointer, maximum 100 number of pointers we can accommodate. That means what? 99 number of keys we can accommodate. Are you getting this one? So if you divide this one by 40, we can get near about 100 value. Okay, so each and every node, so in practical, if the disk block is 4 KB, and that means what, each and every node must accommodate 99 number of keys. So in processing a query, we traverse a path in the tree from the root to some leaf node. Okay, so obviously we have seen that to search any particular leaf, there is a constant time, just we have seen here. So because all the keys are present in this particular leaf node, so that means that we have to traverse the path of this particular, we have to traverse the length of the tree. Okay, so if there are k search keys valued in the file, the path is no longer than log n by 2k. So k is the number of search key. N is what? N, just we have identified the number of pointers it can accommodate. So let assume key total keys say 10 to the power 6. Total keys present here, these are the keys. Say total number of rows or number of keys say 10 to the power 6, and n is what? 100. N is what? 100. So the path length will be what? Log n by 2. We have seen log n by 2, 10 to the power 6. So if you calculate this, answer is 4. That means what? 4 nodes to be accessed. That is, at most 4 blocks need to be read from disk for the lookup, for the search. Okay, so 10 to the power 6, that means near about 1 million data, 1 million keys we can search. For that we need only 4 disk block access, and root node must be in the RAM, in the main memory. Hence we need to access 4 minus 1, 3, that is 3 disk blocks. So if you implement practically, so if total number of keys say 10 to the power 6, so we need 3 disk blocks. Okay, because the path length is what? Log, the length will be what? 4th, but the root node is always should be present in the primary memory. So it is not required to access this particular, it is not required to fetch this particular block, already it is present. So we have to fetch the internal and the leaf blocks. So the maximum we have to access only 3 blocks. So I think you can assume how much efficiency is present, how much efficiency is there. It's a great efficiency achieved. Okay, and that is the end of this particular video. Thank you very much. In the next video we'll talk about node deletion from the B tree, B plus tree.